Welcome to GMP7.com. I'm happy to present you our document, our standard operation procedure change control system. With this document that you can order on our website, you manage your changes. Pharmaceutical companies recognize that efficient change control system is the only way to ensure they can rapidly adjust systems and processes so as to stay competitive and continually improve effectiveness and quality. Managing changes will have a major impact on any company's future success. Let's have a look to this document. This document is a document of 8 pages and it's easily adaptable for your needs. You just need to enter your personal company information and your personal information in the document and follow the steps that you also see here in the table of content. You know that the table of content you always find on our website, so you exactly know what steps you have to go through. And here, this is our document, our 8-page document that ends with a special change control form where you just easily enter what you need, what is demanded, and yeah, it's, as I said, with small site-specific modifications, it's ready to use. You'll find it on gmp7.com in the chapter Standard Operation Procedures.